Wrapping tasteful aesthetics around an athletic TCI chassis, smooth LS3 power, and a trusty 4L65E 4-speed. This all-American Chevy is a great driver that mixes hot performance with proven style. And if you're looking for a timeless ride with a bit of muscle car flair, it's your ticket to endless fun. Fully sorted and ready to roll, this 55-3100 is the beneficiary of a comprehensive restoration that's set off by glossy black 2-stage. That classy pigment highlights better than factory alignment that's seated in even planes and tight gaps. And that incredibly straight profile mixes solid panels with tasteful customization, such as modern headlights and LED tail lamps. Modified in the same tasteful manner as its timeless body, the custom interior is an exercise in style and solitude. A massaged dash hangs stainless-trimmed Dakota Digital gauges next to controls for modern air conditioning. Rich carpet floats a custom console beneath a modern head unit and switches for the power windows. The driver and passenger enjoy bolstered leather seats, while the driver takes control through a classic Chevy steering wheel on a tilting column. Officially known as the Chevrolet Performance LS3, the all-aluminum mill under the hood creates 430 horsepower and 425 pound-feet of torque. That power travels through a 4L65E auto back to a Ford 9-inch. With handsome looks, a long list of amenities, and muscle car performance, this Chevy is a no-compromises classic. If you're ready to upgrade your weekend transportation, don't miss the opportunity to enjoy a spin on a traditional favorite. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.